More than 150 people have been killed in the city. That was mostly on Sunday. Further violence taking place on Tuesday as well. Well, with that now over, there is a very heavy presence, as you can see, of troops on the streets, security forces moving in and effectively drawing a line between ethnic Uyghur and Han Chinese communities. Well, our correspondent Quentin Somerville is there in Urumqi, and a short time ago he sent us this.
Hundreds of troops have been marching all morning through the centre of Urumqi, a massive display of force. Chanting as they cross city junctions to let residents know that they are here in the city to protect them, that they are back in control. As you can see, these troops in particular are carrying wooden clubs, wooden batons. Other troops that we've seen today were armed with rifles. And it isn't just here on the ground. Up in the air, helicopters have been flying above head all morning, patrolling the skies. And let me just show you some ordinary people here in Urumqi this morning. Yesterday, many Han Chinese, as they went about their business, were carrying clubs, bamboo poles, iron rods. Well, today they say they aren't doing that. They don't need these makeshift weapons because of this show of force, because the army, the People's Armed Police and the riot police have arrived here in so many numbers. All around this area there's a greater sense of security, perhaps heightened by the fact that President Hu Jintao is cutting short his trip to the G8. He's returning here, and that's certainly adding to the pressure for the authorities here in Xinjiang to get the city back under their control.